Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about the most dangerous military robots in the world. So make sure you watch till the end, because these technologies are truly mind-blowing. Let's get started. Drone robots are now a key part of modern warfare. They operate without a pilot, used for high-level surveillance, can detect and strike targets with precision. The most dangerous thing is that they are controlled from a long distance, keeping operators safe while targets are at risk. Robot dogs are AI-powered machines designed to move like real animals, can enter narrow and dangerous areas, equipped with cameras and sensors, used for bomb detection and surveillance. Some advanced models can even carry weapons. AI tanks represent the future of battlefield power, operated using artificial intelligence, can detect and attack targets automatically. This means machines can now independently participate in warfare. Why these robots are dangerous? These robots are dangerous because they have no emotions. They make fast and accurate decisions. They can operate 24/7 without rest. They reduce human error significantly. So friends, these were the most dangerous military robots in the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.